Hi, it's day 2 and I just got back from gym. It's 8:30 in the morning. I woke up a little late today and um, right now heating up my water which was supposed to be I was supposed to drink that before going to the gym, but yeah, because I was late. Anyway, I forgot to mention this yesterday, but yesterday I did biceps, triceps, and shoulders, and today I did chest and back. And right now I don't know the name of all the exercises, so I'm just gonna be telling this, and later once I start knowing the names, I thought I'll keep record of what all I did, just to track my energy levels as well. So yeah, that's there. And I got apples. My water is boiling. Bye. Hi again. So it's 9:40 now and I'm gonna start working. So again the same rule that not use phone for the first few hours, since I realized that it increases my productivity and helps me focus on the work. So phone is gonna be on off, and I'm not having anything for breakfast except for the protein powder. So another thing which was, okay, light just went off. Anyway, another thing which I mentioned yesterday was to have protein early in the day so that it keeps you satiated and yeah, you don't feel hungry. So let's see how day 2 goes. Hi, I had my lunch around 1:30 and it's now 2:30. So I ate fried rice and eggs in lunch, and I'm planning to go indulge myself into something sweet. And yeah, I'll be having a dark fantasy chocolate. So yeah, that's it. I think protein powder today was not as efficient. I felt the need for coffee because I was feeling very sleepy around 12, 12, 11:30, 12, and but I still didn't drink coffee. So I think this is just day 2 effects. Anyway, see you in the evening. It's 7 o'clock now. I just got free from work. Surprisingly, the whole day I did not turn my internet on, and my phone was kept away. I was working, which is very strange. And I just opened my like WhatsApp and all of that. But yeah, it was a exhausting day, and because of that, I had some junk, but I'm very tired now. And I think this is what I was talking about yesterday as well, that there are gonna be days like these. So the point is not for me to now be sad about all of this, but yeah, I think it's more about, okay, fine, this happened, let me try and instead of reading for 20 minutes, read for 40 minutes. That's what it is. And while I was having my junk food, I was also thinking that how do I, what do I record? What do I, you know, upload today? Because this is so out of the plan and this is not what I had agreed upon on day 1. So, yeah, it got me thinking and I wrote it down. So, it just says that I'm somebody that fear stage a lot. I don't like spotlight at all, and I don't know how to talk to camera. In fact, it's very hard to look straight in the camera and talk because it's just not me. It doesn't make sense. And yet here I am doing all of this, and this is just for myself. Like, maybe in the future I make something out of it, but right now it's just for me that no matter what happens, you're gonna record. You're gonna see, even if all 30 days are gone to waste, I'm gonna record for 30 days no matter what happens. So this in itself, which is to record, to talk to camera, to upload the video every day, is something out of my comfort zone, and yet I'm showing up. and I'm not gonna lie because there's no point in lying. Like, what's the point of uploading a video if I'm gonna lie about it? So, yeah, I think that is how it is. So, a bit of appreciation in that manner, that it's okay if you had junk, if you had a glass of cold drink, and I might have one more. But yeah, I'll see what to have for dinner. Maybe I'll skip it or something like that. But yeah. Huh, it's 9:30 now, and it's time to sleep. At least that's what I feel like. But no, I'm gonna be starting for next half an hour and then editing this video, uploading it. So two things that I kind of have for today is, one, I did not eat dinner because I had junk later in the evening. So I'm skipping dinner, and that is not the ideal case. That should happen, but yeah, since I went out and had some junk, I think this is me trying to correct it. And then the second was, wait, I forgot. Okay, I have my notes. So second was that switching to protein powder helps me reduce coffee intake. So that's like a win-win situation. So that is something. And yeah, I think I noticed something else as well, that my mind and my body does not know how to rest. And after work, I feel tired most of the time. So that is also something I need to understand. How do I make myself feel free from the work? Even when it's done, it should not still get into my head, and I should feel like, okay, what should I do about this problem, that problem, and all of that. So yeah, and I would like to end this with a very sophisticated thing I wrote. Not sophisticated at all, which is to be grateful for the things that you have and hopeful for the things that you wish. Yeah. Anyways, see you tomorrow. I'll sleep around 11:30 because I think I'll have to study, edit the video. It will take some time and all of that. But yeah, see you tomorrow, day 3. Till then, good night.